Hello. Welcome back to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to display keystrokes on Windows PC. Visit our website easyyork.com for more informative content. Consider subscribing to Easy York on YouTube by clicking the red subscribe button below this video tutorial. Don't forget to click the bell icon, for this will notify you when we upload a new video. Visualizing keystrokes is a great way to learn keyboard shortcuts for an app. Outside of that, if you need to record a screencast, it's a good idea to show keystrokes on your screen and save yourself a lot of work during editing. If you need a good, customizable tool to show keystrokes on Windows 10, you should give Karnak a try. Feel free to download it using the link below this video. Download Karnak. Extract. And run the setup. The app is open source and doesn't need to be installed. When you open it, it goes straight to the system tray. By default it will show keystrokes as well as mouse clicks, highlighting which mouse button was clicked. The first thing you want to do after running the app is customize it. Double-click the app's icon in the system tray to open its settings. On the General tab, you can select where the keystroke shows on your screen. Carnac supports multiple monitors, so you can choose which monitor the keystroke should be displayed on. Use the top, bottom, left, and right offset sliders to position the visual. Be careful with this setting because if you offset it too much from all sides, it might cut the visual off. The app doesn't show keystrokes on both monitors, which might be a shortcoming for some users, but it does everything else flawlessly. I want to try using Microsoft Word to see how it works, and apply proper setting if necessary. I will press Ctrl+B to bold this text. I see, it's okay though, I need a few adjustments. If the visual isn't easy to see on your desktop, go to Appearance tab. You can customize it to suit any background and you can change pop-up text width, pop-up opacity, and font size. You can also change font and background color. It should be recorded on any screencasting tool, so there's not much to worry about. It works with the OBS tool, Bandicam, and with Snagit. Thanks for taking time to watch this video. If it was helpful, feel free to comment, like and share. Consider subscribing to Easy York on YouTube by clicking the red subscribe button below this video tutorial. Don't forget to click the bell icon, for this will notify you when we upload a new video. By subscribing, you encourage us to create more videos. Have a nice time.